Let's practice some autofill in Excel 2013. Let's begin by typing in the numbers 1, 2, and here, let me just make this a bit bigger here. And in fact, I can press Control X, which is cut, and I can paste it somewhere else, Control V. So let's press let's try that again. 1, 2. Okay, so let's do autofill. Highlight the first two numbers by clicking and dragging, and then hover your mouse to the bottom right corner until you see this black plus sign. And click and hold down the left mouse button and drag down. So say how you drag it pretty far down until we get 50 numbers. So you see the number 50 there. So you can see that we can very quickly number things. And later on, we're going to learn this concept called mail merge. It'll be useful, say, when you want to print out 50,000 tickets all numbered. It would be impossible, well, not impossible, but it would be extremely time consuming to do things which go on and on and on and on. But for now, autofill is extremely powerful. So I can pretend these are ticket numbers, and we have a bunch of numbers this way. Let's practice some more. Let's try typing the number 10, 20. So Excel is very smart. It figures out the pattern. All you have to do is highlight the first two, drag your mouse until you see the black plus sign in the bottom right corner, click and hold, and drag it out sideways. Notice how we right away immediately have the pattern 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So Excel is quite smart. So let me press Control A, which selects everything, and press Delete. So Control A and then press Delete, deletes everything. Now I wonder how much money you would have if you bet 1 cent and you kept on doubling it for every round in a golf game. So golf game. So round 1, hole 2. So let's autofill this all the way up to 18. So let's go to 18 holes. How much money would you have? Betting a penny is nothing. You just double it on the second hole and double it again, double it again. It couldn't be that much, could it? We'll see. Small change, penny is nothing. So let's try 1 penny. Now here's the thing. We're doubling it every time. So this is not a regular autofill. This is called a growth fill. So for growth fills where the curve is exponential, you don't need to actually type in 2 values. You just need 1 value. You hover to the bottom right corner, get that black plus sign. For growth fills, you actually right click, drag down, and let go, and go to series. Let's choose growth, and the step value is how quickly it grows. So for example, if you want to double your money, you type in 2. If you want to triple your money, type in 3. And if you want to increase your money by, say, 5%, you type in 1.05. This could be useful for calculating compound interest. So if it's 7%, it'd be 1.07. It'd be 13%, it'd be 1.13. But for now, we're going to double our money. Click on OK. Notice how you, instead of left-click autofilling, you right-click to autofill. Then we did a growth fill, and you can see that we're talking about big money. You'd be betting over $1,000 on the 18th hole, and that's not exactly pocket change unless you're a billionaire. So hopefully you have some insight about autofill, and you could probably answer the same question: how much money would you have if you doubled your money for every square in a checkers board, an 8x8 64 square checkerboard? And it's quite an interesting ability to use autofill. So congratulations, you have some more insight about Excel autofill.